Put it in reverse. Now put it back in park. Put it in reverse. Put it back in park.